Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change Instagram password. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application, and if you can't log in into your account and if you want to change your password, head over to the three lines icon. Scroll down until you see the help option. And before that, let me show you from the account center how you can do that. Head over to your profiles or head over to password and security. And here tap on change password and go to the profile, and here give your current password and give new password. Retype the new password so that you can be sure of it, and check mark it if you want to log out of the other devices, and if you don't want, then just uncheck it and tap on change password. If you don't tap on change password, your password will not be changed. So make sure you do that, and yeah, this is how you can just change your Instagram password. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.